Welcome to Luke Adams Glass. We're going to make a glass spiral today. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up this 2,300 degree furnace and we're going to gather clear, molten, liquid glass. The glass is so hot. When I come to get this color, all I've got to do is just touch lightly into the chips of pre-colored glass. What's fun about these is it was a design that me and my brother came up with together, so it's kind of like a personal connection. I'm going to get more glass on top of this, and this will give us the glass we need to work with. I'm going to come in next with a footing tool, which is a wooden set of paddles on a hinge, like a book. I'm going to just flatten that a little bit. I'll switch to my tweezers. I'm going to make two big indentations that just change the temperature of that glass so that it's a little bit colder, and it gives me almost like a handle to pull from. I'm going to use a little bit of centrifugal force to start shaping that. They are designed to be outside, they're designed to be in the wind, and they're designed to be something that you can see move, turn, and show off all the unique properties of glass.